Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. I hope that you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah. It's English period for class 5 and students, today we are going to start our grammar topic. But before moving to it, let's recite dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen summa ameen. So students, the today's task is given in your workbook on page number 55 to 57, and this is related to continuous tenses. Now what are these? Let's look at the board. These are the types of tenses. You have learned about simple past tense, simple present tense. Now today you are going to learn about continuous tenses. That what are these? First of all, let's understand the meaning of continuous, that we use continuous tense for telling about that action which is not completely done or in process. So whether this action is will be in past, or this action would be in past, present or future. So the action, the continuous is used for those sentences in which the action is not completely done. So this was the concept of continuous. Now you have learned about that there are three main types of tenses, that are past, present or future. Past means guzra hua, present means right now, abhi, future means that will be coming or aane wala jo waqt hai. ठीक है, time that is later than now. Now, how the continuous tenses are used in three different types of tenses. First, I am telling you about past continuous tense. First of all, let's understand that a common thing in the continuous tenses is that the form of verb will be used ing form. What does it mean? कि form of verb वो use होती है जिसमें ing होता है. ठीक है, for example, go. ठीक है, go is a basic spelling of verb and we will add ing in it to make it continuous form of verb. That will be going. As you can see here, I have written. And the helping verbs are different in each type of tense. For example, past continuous. In past continuous tense, we were going. You can see here that here is the word were given here. So were is a helping verb. It is a helping verb of past continuous tense, and it has another helping verb as well, that is was. Okay, was or were are two helping verbs of past continuous tense, and here is, you can see the form of verb is ing form. So that was past continuous tense. Now present continuous tense. We are going. You can see the difference. Only the difference of helping verb is there. Like here is were, and now in present here is are, and it has some other helping verb as well. These are is, am or are. Okay, is used for singular subject, am is used only with the subject I, and are is used for plural subjects. It means more than one subjects are there. So you can see here that the difference of helping verb is there. Then future continuous. Future continuous means क्योंकि आने वाले वक्त के लिए use होता है. ठीक है? In this sentence you can see we will be going. Now here is another helping verb which is only used for future continuous tense, that is will be. So this is these are the three different continuous tenses: past, present and future. And I have told you that they all have some other helping verbs as well other than these. For example, here you can see was as well and were as well, and here are is, am or are, and it has also another verb, that helping verb, that is shall be. So These are the helping verbs which you will use in making the continuous tense, and don't forget to use the ing form of verb because you are making the making the sentences using continuous tense, so it must have the continuous form of verb, that is ing form of verb. So this was the concept of continuous tenses. You saw that I have used this different helping verb in each type of tense. You just have to remember the helping verbs in each type of continuous tense. So that's all. Now in your workbook, here is very simple exercises given, that sentences are given to you, you have to read them and you have to identify that which type of continuous tense is there, whether it's past, it's present, or it's future continuous tense. Now in this exercise a verb is given to you. For example, here is verb find, and you have to make the continuous tense continuous sentence using each type of tense. On page number 56, a picture is given to you and you have to look at this funny incident and explain it using the future continuous tense. You don't have to use all type of continuous tense. Instead, you just have to use the future continuous tense for describing this picture. So that is for today's lesson. Now I hope that is very clear to you. Very good. Now start your written task now. I am ending here. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.